Hi gorgeous, this is the new Essence Skin Tint. It is called Hydro Hero 24 Hours Hydrating Tinted Cream. This retails for €3.99. You can find it in 3 shades only. The shade range is not inclusive. We are getting 30 milliliters and I'm gonna be doing a full day wear test. So at the end of this video you can see if this is long lasting. This product is cruelty free vegan. Also it contains SPF 15. It claims to have a light to medium coverage. Also that it gives a natural finish. We're gonna see if this is a 3-in-1 product. Headband on. First of all, I'm gonna apply some primer on my skin. This is the Clean ID Pore Minimizer Primer by Catrice Cosmetics. Let's see if this one is my shade. And by the way, this is the shade 10 Soft Nude. Maybe it is a little bit darker for me, but I'm gonna blend it out. So I will try to apply this only with my fingers first because it is a tinted moisturizer. It has a creamy formula. It's not very liquidy. That doesn't mean it's not gonna be moisturizing. And it is definitely not very light for me. That means I can also use it in the summer. It's not very sticky. Oh my god, I love that. I'm pressing the product in my pores just to see if it can be pore filling. I'm also adding some on some areas that I can see my discolorations. I'm gonna turn off my lights. Let's take a closer look. As you can see here, my pores are less noticeable. The coverage I would say is medium to full. It's not light to medium, but I prefer that. If you want to make this lighter, just mix it with your primer or your moisturizer and apply it on your face. I like the coverage a lot. Even though it is setting on the skin, it's not tightening. It is very comfortable. I don't feel anything on my skin. It is very blendable. My skin looks very smooth, not flaky. On the other side, I'm gonna use a sponge to blend it out. This seems like a very nice product for everyday and quick makeup looks. My skin looks very natural and glowy. With the sponge I have less coverage, so if you want the light coverage, use a sponge, otherwise use your fingers. So I applied some more with my fingers, and also I want to see if it is oxidizing. We're going to check the color after I apply my concealer. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. I'm also gonna use it to highlight near my nose and my chin. Oh my god, this is so light in comparison with the Skin Tint. We're going to make it work. Let's see if it is oxidizing. It definitely is. On the side that I have applied the product with the sponge, it is a little bit stickier, so I'm gonna use this powder here. It is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Hi gorgeous, it's been 9 hours and let's see what happened with the Skin Tint. Zoom, zoom, zoom. This is a hydrating skin tint, so we have a lot of glow. I would prefer if it was less, so I'm gonna use this again with a different primer. I like that it didn't crease on my forehead or in my smile lines. Actually, it is very smooth. I don't see any patchiness. I'm gonna remove the glow. Okay, it doesn't look bad now. This product is not very sticky, so I didn't use a lot of powders to set it. I really like that. This one is scentless and also we have a very nice packaging. So tell me in the comments below what other products I should try on my channel. You can watch next my review of the new Catrice products.